Hi friends, I have taken a small snippet from HBR magazine which I have subscribed to. This is about how to do hybrid model right. Today let me share some interesting highlights to you. Since the pandemic, many companies have adopted the technologies of virtual work remarkably quickly, and employees are seeing the advantages of more flexibility in where and when they work. As companies recognize what is possible, they are embracing a once in a lifetime opportunity to reset work using a hybrid model. So, what's the challenge? Moving to an anywhere, anytime hybrid model will succeed only if it is designed with human concerns in mind, not just institutional ones. So, what is the way forward? This requires companies to approach the problem from four different perspectives. 1. Jobs and tasks. 2. Employee preferences. 3. Projects and workflows. And 4. Inclusion and fairness. Executives are seeing a silver lining as they adapt to the pandemic. The opportunity to make work lives more purposeful, productive, agile, and flexible. Figuring out how to do this is far from straightforward. That's because to design hybrid work properly, you have to think about two axes: time and place. Place is the axis that's getting the most attention at the moment. Millions of workers around the world this year have made a sudden shift from being place constrained, that is, working in the office, to being place unconstrained, working anywhere. Perhaps less noticed is the shift many have taken along the time axis, from being time constrained, working synchronously with others, to being time unconstrained, working asynchronously whenever they choose. For years, flexible work arrangements had been on the agenda at Fujitsu, but little had actually changed. Most managers in the Japan offices still valued face to face interaction and long office hours. And according to an internal survey conducted not long before, more than 74% of all employees considered the office to be the best place to work. But the pandemic turned things upside down. So, how can we propel our firms towards an anywhere, anytime working model? Start by identifying the key jobs and tasks. Determine what the drivers of productivity and performance for each are. And think about the arrangements that would serve them best. Engage employees in the process using a combination of surveys, personas, formal, informal interviews to understand what they really want and need. This will differ significantly from organizations to organizations, so don't take shortcuts. Think expansively, creatively, and deeply with an eye towards eliminating duplication and unproductive elements in your current work arrangements. Hybrid arrangements should never replicate existing bad practices, as when firms began automating work processes decades ago. Communicate broadly so that at every stage of your journey, everybody understands how the hybrid arrangements will work and will enhance rather than deplete their productivity. Train the leaders in the management of hybrid teams and invest in the tools of coordination that will help your teams align their schedules. Finally, ask yourself whether your new hybrid arrangements, whatever they are, accentuate your company's values and support its culture. Carefully and thoughtfully take a stock. In the changes you have made, have you created a foundation for the future that everybody in the company will find engaging, fair, inspiring, and meaningful? I hope this was useful to all of you. Thank you for your time.